Warning. The stunts in this video were performed by trained professionals under controlled conditions. Attempting to replicate these actions can result in serious injury or legal consequences. Do not attempt.
Yeah. I'm from the middle finger. I'm from the east side. Yeah. Brick City. All that shit. Sticks.
Yeah, nigga, fucking
all this shit.
Middle finger with the 5 feet. Tinted windows when we slide stick. Glock for the Draco. No, I'm riding round, nigga, with the slime. Shoot a nigga in his spine. Nigga snitch the cut time. 21. We the Fox 5 gang. Niggas getting whacked, snitching on me. Facts. Back it up, back it up. 2 to 3 gon' make a nigga back it up. 20. Tryna strip a nigga. Change my outfit. Nigga ain't black enough. Road, Glenwood Road. Neighborhood out whacking the seat. Niggas running to the plug crying. Saying slaughter gun, keep texting us. I get them racks and then I stack it up. This is not a scat pack. This a Hellcat. And it's on
Yo, YouTube. What is the word, y'all? If y'all see by the title of the video today, we're gonna be learning how to drift some cars. You feel me? Shout out my boy Chico. My son Chico right there just pulled up in the AMG 63S. We got all the members here. We got Lulu here.
Big Lulu Schmurdas, Betty going wild.
If y'all don't know who she is, y'all about to know. Word, after the first episode come out, it's a whole bunch of.
How you feeling? How you feeling tonight?
We got Ralph about to spin out right now, you heard? Ralph over there. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared, bro. But yeah, Ralph in the car right now. After Ralph go, I'ma go, and then we gonna just get everybody POV from the inside. My son Darius spinning. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. You know you official drifter. Once you go from drifting this way, you keeping it, and then you go this way, and then that's it. You pro. You don't gotta worry about nothing no more. You feel me? But yeah, my son Ralph about to learn real quick, and John about to learn. But big shout out Chico. We gonna interview Chico after you get out the car. We about to see if their life insurance gonna pay for this shit. Come on, Ralph, spin that shit, nigga. Bend the block, B. Bend the block. Spin that shit, nigga. Spin that shit, nigga. Spin that shit, nigga. Shit, nigga. Yeah. Oh, my son nice. Son nice. My son nice. Yeah. No. What's up, bro? My son nice. Yeah. My son is from. That shit was crazy. What the fuck? We with Chico Benz, nigga. I don't even know how to fucking drive.
Nah, hit the go for the first time. Hit the go for the first time.
I don't know how to drive. Yo, my son Robert bending that shit. Nah, first try is crazy. That's fine. Many times I be seeing shit like this in the carmies, though. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. In the carmies, I be scared. Them niggas is nice in the carmies. I be surprised, nigga. In the Bronx, you got some drivers out here, nigga. In the carmies, bro, it be niggas in the middle of that shit. If y'all think that's the only loud car, nigga, hear this shit. Wait, I gotta put the mic to this shit. Hold on. Hold on. Go. What you gotta say? To be the loudest M5 in the fucking Bronx.
Wanna be M5.
Nigga, it's the M5. Niggas don't wanna know about this shit. Nigga, get the badge to Lee on the motherfucker. Put the M5 with the competition tag. I'm gonna go where everybody started at, nigga.
Yeah, you can start right here. You already know the drill. Guys, break.
Let it go.
Off the guys.
Oh shit. I'm scared right now, chat.
Oh no, you scared? Come on.
Let's be bet this shit, nigga.
I believe in you, bro.
Hold on, I'm not done, nigga. I'm about to spin over there. go, nigga. Jump right here. Oh, shit. The guard. Yo. What happened?
Oh, you nigga.
Man, watch out, man. We got Big John on the fucking wheel. What?
Yo, I thought you said I broke the car, nigga. I'm like, fuck it, nigga. We gonna keep going. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. That was fire, though. I'm buying this shit tomorrow, nigga.
Man,
What we doing,
that.
nigga?
You did that.
I'm buying this shit tomorrow, nigga. Come on, son. Oh, shit. Hold on, y'all. We gotta put oil in the motherfucker.
Hold on.
You just gotta cool down, bro.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. You're good.
Wait, talk to him.
Tell
Tell
you
him
crack
who
the
you are, the
car?
merch, everything. Come on, talk to him.
Yo, it's Chico Benz. Copy your merch, Fast Lane Fashion.
Nah, you gotta tell him who you are, what the fuck you do, and explain them the car you got, nigga. Sure.
Bro, I'm not ya, bro. I'm not ya, bro. That's what it is.
Yo, he acted like he was.
Yeah, that's
Yo, this
fake,
nigga
bro.
recording the craziest car crash flex in New York City, nigga. The nigga pulled up next to him. Matter of fact, play the clip.
Oh my God. Matter of fact, I'm taking a look around. Come on. So we're about to start off with the custom steering wheel. You know, a little carbon fiber and shit. We got the LEDs on the inside. We got the perfect Joker with the Chico. And we got, can't forget, Vaseline, baby. Come on. We pushing 700 horsepower right now. We trying to work on getting the pure 1000 servos. And we're gonna be pushing 900. The Benz gonna be unstoppable at that point, bro.
Niggas just bent that shit. You feel what I'm saying? Now Make about to go.
I'm about to. That's all I'm gonna say. No word.
Hey, bring that shit over here though, real quick. Bring that shit over here. You see my movements after what the fuck I just did? I'm moving a little more spectacular. Window half up. You talking to me like this now, nigga.
This nigga moving like license right now.
Huh?
This nigga moving like license.
Fuck what they talking about. Y'all know who to go to when it's time to get the eyes, man. Yo, yes, what color my eyes right now? Grayish bluish. That's a good answer because they changed. Gray, blue, and green. Nah, I just had to let you know that. Not for the vlog. I just had to let you. Sure? You didn't want to know that? No, that was a fun fact. You my man, so I just. No?
I hear you. You got fun facts.
Yeah. Like a what? Like a Snapple bottle, right?
Like the back of a Snapple bottle. Fun
All
fact.
right, shut the fuck up. You don't know how to talk. It's always him, bro. You don't know how to fucking talk. Say it clearly.
Like the back of a Snapple cap.
Audio, we came from Say Less, and that's the vibe. That's the vibe.
Tell him who you are.
Say Less. Big little smurder. We outside. Look, we popping donuts, and we baking them.
Popping donuts.
Baking them.
We. Oh shit! There's a lot of chemicals in the air right now.
Hold on, bro. We didn't even introduce Flock, bro. Talk to him,
Fucking
Flock.
word, man. It's your boy Jay Flock, man.
Nah, nigga, fuck all that. What the fuck is this? Nigga think this is an interview? You better get straight to it, nigga. Explain your fucking fit.
We got Supreme with a jacket, man.
Hold the mic, nigga.
We got Supreme with a jacket, man.
Come on.
Some calm shit. We got Jade in London. You know, some calm shit. And, you know, the Rickies, you know, some chill shit, you know. What we got on the fit today, man?
H&M sweatsuit, nigga. The fuck? I'm not dripped out right now. I'm ready to go on the drill, you heard?
Oh my God.
I'm going. I gotta go in here. I gotta see how this shit feel. I don't know how it feel from the back. Hey, yo, what the fuck is I'm talking about, gang? Yeah, nigga. We officially New York takeover niggas, nigga. Fuck everything you saying, you heard?
You're gonna be doing that the whole time.
Just like this.
Bring it back.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Go the other way, mate.
I did a donut though.
That stinky breath ass.
Oh, shit.
I'm bringing it back.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Oh.
Yo, what the fuck?
I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Meg that bad, bro. That shit was trash. Don't let him know I said that.
That shit not easy, bro. But if niggas want to cut up, they could get the works right now. Go ask Derek who told him how to drive.
Who taught me how to drive? My mom and my dad.
Her was Meg.
No. Who told you how to drive?
Oh, how to cut up? How to cut up?
What was the question? What you asked?
Who taught him how to drive?
And what was the answer?
My mom and my dad.
My dad.
If you don't pay me,
Oh, you was specific.
you fucking action.
All right, who taught you how to cut up?
You know, some good old friends of mine.
Give me a name.
Lamech and John.
Oh, thank you for starting with my name.
That's
That's all I wanted.
Look, he's gonna rank us.
Wait, so I gotta start with the worst one or the best one?
Where's
I got-
the
What's
best?
the best? No, worst first. then
Worst?
best.
Not the worst. The worst. No! This nigga.
Deadass? Is that?
Practice makes perfect.
Second worst gotta be Ralph.
Okay. As long as I'm not last, you bitch ass nigga. That's all that.
He didn't do pretty good, but.
The first one.
And then it's him, and then
I want to thank my mom, man.
you second
I wanna
place.
thank
You second
Chico,
place. You
baby.
second place.
There was
Wait, now you
first?
third place. Cause he
How?
get second place and I get first place.
Oh.
Nigga, you the owner of the car, nigga.
I still count.
Nigga,
bro.
that's like you damn near ringing right now.
Yeah, you
Nah,
fucking.
matter of fact, you ain't going to vlog. Go on the vlog, nigga.
Yo,
Go on the vlog. You ain't
didn't
going to
go on the
vlog. Go on the vlog, nigga.
Yeah, come on.
Now you gotta really.
Go on the
show-
That sound like a bunch of.
Yo, where's my phone? I need to take a picture and put it on the gram like a bad bitch.
Y'all not gonna die, bro.
That was fun. Oh shit, the cops!
Oh, oh! Look out! Look out! Wait,